Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel is Smart Study. In the previous class I have completed the lesson 3, that is rocks and soil, right? In this class I am going to give you notes. First we shall see hard words. First one is what children? Soil. What is the spelling of soil? S-O-I-L, soil. Okay. Next one is what? Rock. R-O-C-K. Spelling of rock is what? R-O-C-K, rock. Next is earthworm. You already know the earthworm spelling. What is the spelling of earthworm, children? E-A-R-T-H, earth. W-O-R-M, worm. Earthworm. Next one is what? Humus. Humus means what I told for you, all the decayed plants and animals. కుళ్ళిపోయినవి అంటాం కదా అన్న. Decomposed plants and animals are nothing but the humus. So spelling of humus is H-U-M-U-S, humus. Okay. Next one is what, children? Fertile. What is the spelling of fertile? F-E-R-T-I-L-E. Okay. This is the spelling of fertile. I am repeating it again. F-E-R-T-I-L-E, fertile. Next one is gravel. G-R-A-V-E-L, gravel. Okay, this is the layer of the soil. Down, if you pour some water into a mud, what will happen without disturbing for some time? At the bottom, all the stones will be formed. You see, that is only known as nothing but what? Gravel. G-R-A-V-E-L. Next one, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. You know, no, sand means ushka antam kadana, that one. Next one is what, children? Clay. Clay means what? Bankamatti. Okay. Spelling of clay is what? C-L-A-Y. Okay. This is not there. C-L-A-Y. That's all. Clay. This is the spelling I am writing here. If you want, you can check again. C-L-A-Y is the spelling of clay. Next one is what? Loam. Loamy soil I told for you. L-O-A-M. If we mix the both sand and clay soil, we get nothing but the loamy soil. So what is the spelling of loam? Means L-O-A-M, loam, or you can say L-O-A-M-Y, loamy soil also. Next one is what? Erosion. E-R-O-S-I-O-N. Soil erosion I have told for, whatever plants are growing, mostly they will grow on what? Topsoil will be there in the upper layer of the soil. If more wind comes, all this topsoil will be gone away. Okay, that is only called as a soil erosion I told for you. So what is the spelling of erosion, children? E-R-O-S-I-O-N. Erosion. Next one is plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. 12th one is conservation. C-O-N, con, S-C-R, V-A-T-I-O-N, conservation. If the spellings are big like this, you can split into two, 3 parts and then learn. It will be easy for you. First is what I told for you, C-O-N, con, S-C-R-V-A-T-I-O-N, conservation. Okay. Next, moving to the bits. First bit, wait. 1 minute, children. Yeah. First one is what, children? Tick the correct answers. Which is correct? We should tick that one answer. First question I am reading. Soil contains A bit only rock particles and humus. B only rock particles and water. C rock particles, air, water and humus. Soil will have the rocks, air, water, humus. That is dead plants and animals. Yes or no? So option is what, children? C. First answer is what? C. Next one. Soil is formed due to this. Breaking of wood, breaking of rocks, none of this. By breaking of rocks, soil will be formed. So your answer is what, children? B. So soil is formed due to the breaking of rocks. Okay. Moving to the next one. Third bit. See here. Which soil holds enough water for the plants to grow well? For growing plants, which soil is good? They are asking. Loamy soil, sandy soil, clay soil. In these three types of soil, in which type of soil plants will grow more? I told for you. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is nothing but mixture of both the sandy soil and the clay soil. So in the loamy soil plants grow well. So third answer is what, children? A, that is loamy. Moving to the fourth one. If water is poured into a vessel containing soil, you will find humus floating at the bottom, in the middle, at the top. Tell me, children. I took some soil and I kept in some vessel. Then I poured water into it. After some time, humus means what? All the dead plants and animals. Where they will be floating, floating ante teladam. Okay, where they will float, at the bottom or in the middle or at the top? At the top. Up they will be floating. So fourth answer is what, children? C. Next, earthworms are found here. Soil, snow, water. Where do you find the earthworms? In soil. Earthworms live in the soil. Their home is the soil and they will eat also soil. They will swallow the soil simply without biting or chewing. Earthworms will simply swallow the soil. So where do we find the earthworms, children? Soil. That is A option. Okay. Next, moving to the fill in the blanks. First question is what, children? Soil is home to many dash. Soil is home to what? Many animals, plants. Yes or no? So you can write here animals, small animals, what, like ants, earthworms, rabbits, all this lives in the soil only. So you can write here to many animals or small animals, anything you can write. I am writing here animals. What is the spelling of animals, children? Animals. Okay? Animals. Next one. Rocks break due to the dash of the sun and many other factors. I told for you how soil will be formed by breaking the rocks. How these rocks will be breaking? By the heat of the sun, water, yes or no, force of water, ice, wind. Due to all this one, the rocks will be breaked and formed to the soil. So here what is the answer? Due to the heat of the sun. What is the spelling of heat, children? H-E-A-T. So this is the answer. Heat of the sun. Third question. The formation of a soil is very dash process. Soil will be formed slowly or fastly? I told for you very slowly. So formation of a soil is a very slow process. What is the spelling of slow, children? S-L-O-W. Slow process. This is your answer. Next one, fourth one. Cactus grows in dash soil. Cactus means what? Desert plants. In desert, which type of soil will be there, children? Sandy soil. So cactus grows much in the sandy soil. So you can write here sand or sandy. S-A-N-D-Y. This is the spelling of sandy, right? Next one. Dash soil holds the maximum quantity of water. I gave you three types of soil. First is sandy soil, next is clay soil, third one is the loamy soil. In these three types of soil, which soil can hold the more water? Tell me, children. I told for you clay soil. That means bankamatti. In the clay soil, it can take more water. What they do with the help of the clay soil? They will make the pots. Yes or no? Some diyas also. Diya ante for Diwali we will keep no deepalu pedtam kandana, that one. Okay, all this they will make with the help of the clay soil. Next, moving to the C bit. True or false? First one, sandy soil has a lot of humus in it. Is it right, children? No, false. Will sand will have more humus in it? That means dead plants and animals? No. So answer is what, children? False. False means I will write F. True means T. Okay, I will change one more color pen. Next one. Plants grow well in the sandy soil. Is it true? No, false. Will plants grow well in the sandy soil? No, they will grow properly in the loamy soil. In sandy soil, only some plants like cactus, they grow in the sandy soil. Where do we see the sandy soil? Near the deserts, beaches. We will observe the sandy soil. So first one is false. Second one is true. Now moving to the third one. True or false? Yeah, I am zooming it. Okay, children, see here. The temperature deep inside the earth is very high. Yes or no? Inside the earth temperature will be very high. It will be very hot. So answer is what, children? True. T is the answer. Next one. Fourth one. On rainy days, earthworms come out of the soil as the water enters inside the soil. Yes, true. Earthworms generally live inside the soil, but when rain comes, what will happen? All the soil will be moved out. No. So from that, earthworms also will come outside from the soil. So fourth answer is also true. Now moving to the last one. We should conserve soil as it takes to a long time to form. Conserve means protect soil. Yes or no? We should protect soil because I told for you soil erosion. Now what is meant by soil erosion? I told for you, children, means top layer of the soil will be there. No, if more wind comes, what will happen? All the top soil will be blown away. Again, if you want such type of soil, can we bring it? No. So soil, for formation of soil, it is a very slow process. After a long time, soil will be formed. So we should not waste this soil. So what they are saying, we should conserve soil as it takes a long time to form. So we should protect the soil because it is taking long time for forming the soil. So they gave it true only. I am writing here T. So third answer is true, fourth answer is true, and fifth is also true. Next, moving to the D bit, that is what, children? Match the following. Left side they have given us some type of soils, and right side they have given us some options. We should match them. First one is what? Loamy soil. How will the loamy soil will be there? Next is the sandy soil. Next is the clay soil. Fourth one is the magma. Fifth one is the gravel. We shall match one. First one, loamy soil means what? In this soil plants will grow properly. I told no. In this loamy soil it will have more humus. I told for you. Humus means dead plants and animals. Yes or no? So loamy soil goes under the B option, that is loamy soil contains a lots of humus. The soil which contains more humus, in that type of soil plants will grow very fastly. Okay, plants growth will be good. So loamy soil answer is what, children? B, that is it contains lots of humus. Next, moving to the sandy soil. Here in the right side option, sandy soil goes to E option, that is cannot hold much water. Will sand have more water? Can it hold the more water? No. So sandy soil option is what, children? E, cannot hold much water. Next one is what? Clay soil. Means banka matti, I told for you. How it will be there? Very soft. It will be there for touching. Yes or no? You might have touched the pots. How soft they will be there? So clay soil means smooth to touch. That is D option. Next one. Fourth one is what, children? Magma. Magma means what I told for you. It will be very hot in red color. I told for you. Red hot liquid rock is nothing but called as a magma. Okay. Magma means red hot liquid rock. That is C option. Next one, gravel. Gravel means what did I told for you? Suppose if you take some soil or mud in a vessel or any bowl and pour some water into it, after some time what will happen? The soil will be formed into different layers. In that layers, the bottom layer is called what, children? Gravel. Means all the small stones will be formed at the bottom, that is gravel. Next clay will be there, next water will be there, and at the top all the dead plants and animals will be floating, that is humus. So fifth one is what, children? A, small stones. Gravel means small stones. Each one I am writing here left side, you can check your answers. First one, loamy soil, is B. First answer is B, I am writing here. Second one, sandy soil is what? Cannot hold much water. So this answer is what, children? E. Okay, this is E. Wait, I'll write again. First one is B. Second one is E. Third one, clay soil is smooth to touch. Which option is it, children? D. So third answer is D. Fourth one, magma is red hot liquid rock. That is C. Gravel. Fifth one is what? Small stones. That is A. So these are your answers, B, E, D, C and A. Okay. Now let's move to the question answers. First I will discuss short question answers. Later we'll move on to long question answers. See children, first question is what is there? What are the decayed parts of dead plants and animals present in the soil called? Means what they are asking, decayed means decomposed. Kullipaina vaatni antam kadana. So what is the name for the decayed parts of dead plants and animals in the soil? What did I told for you that name? Humus. Yes or no? What is the spelling of humus, children? Humus. Okay, you should not write just like this one word answers. Whole sentence you should write. See in the question what is there? The decayed parts of dead plants and animals present in the soil is called humus. Okay, what is the spelling of humus? Humus. Okay, next moving to the next question. What are the three types of soil? I gave you three types of soil. First one is sandy soil, ushka. Next one is clay soil, that means bankamatti. Okay. Third one is loamy soil. If we mix the first type and second type, that is sandy soil and clay soil, we get the loamy soil. So these are the three types of soil: sandy, clayey, and loamy. Okay. Moving to the next question. Which soil do potters use? Means the people who make the pots are known as the potters, right? So which type of soil they use? Clay soil. Bankamatti use chesi kundalani tayar chestaru. Okay? Potters use clayey soil, or you can write simply clay soil. CLAY. Clay. Okay? You will also play with this clay now by making the Lord Ganesh or some toys you'll make. You'll play with this clay now. You all know this one. Okay? Next one. Name a plant that grows well in the clay soil. In the lesson I told for you, one plant will grow very well in the clay soil. What is that plant? Rice plant. Whatever rice we'll eat, rice is a staple food in our country. Yes or no? So this rice plant will grow well in the clay soil. Next one. Question answer. Fifth one is what, children? Name any two animals that live inside the soil. I told for you soil is the home for some animals and they're asking to give us any two names. Earthworms and ants live inside the soil. Okay, earthworms, ants, rabbits, all these live inside the soil. Any two you can write. Now moving to the long question answers. Wait for 1 minute, children. Okay children, sorry for the disturbance. Now we shall see the last bit, that is long question answers. I am zooming it. Okay, here first question, what is it, children? What is weathering of rocks? Weathering of rocks means I told what I told. See, I'll read the answer first, then I'll explain you. The process of breaking down of the rocks due to the heat of the sun, wind, ice, force of water and forming into soil is called as nothing but weathering of rocks. Means what? How the soil will be formed I told for you, by breaking the rocks. So the process of breaking these rocks due to what? Heat of the sun, wind, ice, force of water and then finally the soil forms. It is called as the weathering of rocks. Simply in your own words you can say what? By breaking down of the rocks due to the sun's heat, water, ice and it forms into the soil only is called as nothing but the weathering of the rocks. Okay. Now moving to the second question. See here. Why is humus good for plant growth? Humus means what did I told for you? Dead plants and animals. So why it is important? They are asking. See, I am reading the answer. Humus is good for plant growth because it contains dead plants and insects, which is very useful for the plant growth. I told for you humus means what? All the dead plants and animals. So this will give very strength for growing of the plants. That is why humus is very good for growing the plants. See what I have written here. Humus is good for plant growth because it contains dead plants and insects, which is very useful for the plant growth. Now moving to the third question. What is the question, children? Sand has the least water holding capacity. Still cacti grow well in this. Why they are asking? Sandy soil means how it will be there. Can it take more water? No. But even though it doesn't take more water, why plants will grow well in the sandy soil? They are asking. Why? Because cacti grow well in the sandy soil because it does not need much water to grow. So this type of cacti plant where you will see mostly in the desert. The sand soil where it will be there mostly near the deserts and beaches only, right? Why this will grow? Because they don't need that much more water to grow. Even some water is there also, they can grow. That is why cactus plants grow well in the sandy soil. Now moving to the fourth question. See here, what is the question, children? Why is clay soil not preferred for growing plants? Clay soil means what I told for you, banka matti. You'll play with the clay, no? That one. So why we will not use that one for growing the plants? They are asking. See, as clay soil holds lot of water, it is not preferred for growing plants. I told for you, clay soil will contain more water. So if more and more water are there, can plants grow in it? No. In sandy soil, water will be not there more. If less water is there also, plants will not grow. That is, in sand, less water will be there. They will not grow. In clay soil, more water will be there. So here also, plants will not grow. Then where they will grow? In loamy soil they will grow. Because in loamy soil, water will be moderate. Moderate means normally they will be there. How much the plants require, that much only water will be there. So plants grow well in the loamy soil. In clay soil, why they will not grow means you should not say, sorry, you should say that clay soil will contain more water. That is why plants will not grow well in the clay soil. Okay, next. Fifth question, it is not there here, children. I will type here and show for you. You can write here. Fifth question I am writing here. Be with patience and listen. I am not writing question, just I am writing answer. Once I am reading question, you can check. Fifth question is what, children? Define the following. First one is soil erosion, A bit. B bit is soil conservation. First A bit I am saying for you, fifth answer. Okay, this is fifth answer. A bit what they are asking means what is soil erosion. I will give you the definition of soil erosion. You can check here, soil erosion is nothing but, I am writing down answer here, the process by which top layer of soil, again I will explain to you, don't worry, is carried away by rainwater and strong winds is called soil erosion. So this is the definition of soil erosion. I am explaining. See what is meant by soil erosion means, children, the process by which top layer of soil is carried away by rainwater and strong winds is called as the soil erosion. Top layer of the soil will be there in every soil, upper layer will be there. No, if rain comes, heavy rains come, what will happen? All the top layer will be blown away, and if more winds come also, top layer will be gone away. So this process only is called as the soil erosion. Okay, one more they have given for us, B bit. What is meant by soil conservation, children? Now I will give you the definition of soil conservation. First I will write and then say for you again. Okay. Now what is meant by soil conservation, we shall see. Preventing soil erosion and looking after the soil is called soil conservation. Means what, children? Till now I told for you what is meant by soil erosion. Means if upper layer of the soil is gone away by rainwater, it is called as the soil erosion. So without getting this soil erosion, if we prevent and protect the soil, that is only called as the soil conservation, children. Okay, understood? Soil erosion means if the top layer is blown away by the rainwater and strong winds, that is called soil erosion. And without getting this soil erosion, if you protect that one, that is called as the soil conservation. Means what I wrote here, preventing soil erosion and looking after the soil is called soil conservation. Question I have not written here. Here in the textbook you are having the question, you can see and write. Okay. Okay. This is your notes of the third lesson. In the next class I will start the fourth lesson. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.